Hello and welcome. My name is Amulya and you are watching Tube Mint. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add blog posts and create categories, add tags in Shopify. So basically how to add blog in Shopify store. Alright, so let's go ahead and have a look what we're going to do, create in this video. So you can see I have this option, this button that says blogs, and then I have three other blog topics. So news, then I have this one blog under this, and I have the read button. I can go ahead and read this, and this is the URL. This is the URL being made by Shopify. So first we have blogs. If it doesn't make sense, I'll go ahead and explain everything, don't worry about it. And then we have news, because we just clicked the news and then hit on this article. So you can see it's following your clicks. So first blog, blogs, and then news, and then article. So this is also called silo structure. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, basically this is the architecture of the content on our website. If you're just going to have a look at the blog directory architecture. All right, so this is the options we have. If I go to launch blog, this is a blogs section, so there are many tiny blogs in here. Try to understand that. So under launch, we have this filter by. This is basically a tag. So here the use of the tag is slightly different. You can see tagged 2021 summer. Now I can go back, and as you select it, the URL changes. Okay, so basically this is going to be submitted to the search engines. And then we can go ahead and have a look at the launch, and then you can see if I have more than one, this is how it's going to display, and this is also being displayed here at the bottom. If I have like a different tag for each article under launch blog, I can go ahead and click on this read more, and you can see that the image disappears. Okay, so that is just basically just for the blog teaser. You can see I have option to leave a comment, and then a button to go back to launch main launch page. Here the same thing. I've got a brand reviews. That's basically the title of the reviews blog. I'll show you how you can change it and make it completely unique to each blog topic. And then we have one article in it, and there's just one comment. So now let's have a look how to create the blog and many tiny blocks in Shopify store, or how to add blog and then blog article to Shopify store. So go ahead and log back into your Shopify dashboard or admin area. So this is what we are going to I'm going to explain. So first you go to customize, otherwise you won't see that option here. So okay, you can also click on this, I guess. So just click on online store, and then you have this option, blog posts and then navigation. So we are going to touch on both blog post and navigation. Okay, how to create a blog, certain blog, and add to the navigation That's very important. Okay, so let's see what are the options we have under blog posts. So you can see we have options like manage blogs, not blog post. Okay, don't get confused. So blogs means basically the categories, the tiny categories under blogs. Then we have more option, manage comments, and then add blog. So you can go ahead and add a blog, but this blog post, which is article basically, so they should have written article instead of blogs, needs to go under a blog. So you can see here we have 3 blogs here: news, launch, or you can say launches, reviews, and then you can create a blog here. So I would never recommend you go ahead and create a category or blog topic from here, because you get less custom basically options to play with. You just can create a blog, and that would have no option for customers and readers, visitors leaving comment. So I would never suggest you go ahead and create a blog from here. Before you start anything like writing articles, you should first create the blog. So I'm going to leave it, and what I'll do, I'll go ahead and manage blogs. So you can see I've got 3 blogs here. Just forget that I have anything. You can see these are just created. So but before this, what we need to do, we need to have a look at on the navigation section. So under main navigation, let me see. Oops. You see this is the main navigation, and then we have blogs. So first we need to go ahead and create the blogs navigation. Okay, I already have created it. I can show you by just creating one more navigation. So this is how I've created the blogs navigation and added 3 submenu. I'll go ahead and show you how to create this like simple blogs or catalog or any other menu item. So simply go ahead and click on it, and let's say this is going to be about. We don't have anything, and then I will simply say about. Okay, I'll go ahead and select it and then hit add. So this is how I added this blogs section. So remember, I did not have option to say blog instead of just blogs. It was just already created. I had to add it to the menu. So this is how you can create this blogs section. I will go ahead and delete it. And then so that needs to be done first before you start making anything. So I'll discard it, like blogs. So we'll go back to blogs. So first we need to go ahead and create a navigation item for blogs so that it starts showing up. Now if you go ahead and click on it after creating, let me just make it appear like the natural. This is how it's done. If I go ahead and just I don't have any option here. Let's put under okay. So I'm just going to do it the way it looks now. Here, if I go ahead and refresh it, you'll see this blogs section has 404 page, but as soon as you add these 3 submenus, you won't have option to click and go to this 404 page. Let me go ahead and show you. So it's a bit confusing, guys. You'll have to practice it. So going to get under this launch, and I want to have my news on the very top. And what else did I have? Okay, I'm really sorry. This will go under blogs, not the launch thing. And this launch will also go under here. So this is how you can drag and drop the items under navigation, save menu, or from here on the top. Now the things will be different. So if I just refresh it, if I click on blocks now if I click on blocks, it won't take you to that 404 page. So if I go ahead and click on launch, you will see it will take me to the launch categories or topic, whatever you call it. And then if I go to news, you see this news was created from the new article page on, and this doesn't have option to leave comment here. If I go ahead and show you, and this is why I would always suggest to create these categories or topics, blog topics from here. So we'll go ahead and first create the blog topic before we start writing the articles. So you can see these are 3 blogs we have. I can go ahead and add a new blog. So let's say seasonal launch, seasonal products, right? You can see, you can go ahead and add title and description, the meta description, and then you can also play with your overwrite your URL, and then obviously you will have here option to make sure that your visitors and customers are able to leave comments. So the options are comments are disabled, allowed, and pending moderation, and automatically published. Okay, and you can override the URL from here. So this is the title. I do not want to override, so that's going to be it. Here we write about our seasonal products and how our customers are liking them. We also invite our customers to reviews, customer to review the product, and we take suggestions as well. So simple thing, right? Like, so this is how you create a topic in here in Shopify blogs. Okay, so basically this is going to be a blog details. This is a new blog. This means you're creating a category under which you can write articles. Here we go, simplest interface. Now I can go ahead and save it, and this will appear here. So before you start writing your articles, your blog posts, make sure you have created the blog topics. Okay, so I'll go back to blog posts, and we will have option to add a blog post. So when you click on add a blog post, so far we were here manage blogs. We are going to write a blog post. Now I can go ahead and see here our, let's say winter launch winter product launch, right? Product launch. Oops, you can simply say 2021. And then some dummy content. I'm going to simply take it from here. You can add, format it from here, bold, these are in line. You can see it here, colors, you got colors. You can create links here, insert tables, images, video, clear formatting. So select and clear formatting. I'm really sorry about the noise here. And I think this is 2 is enough. Not this seems to be 1. Okay. Alright, so this is how we can go ahead and this is basically SEO, the title and URL, and then meta description. You can see you can overwrite your URLs. Don't forget to make it visible, otherwise it won't. You can change this timing here by clicking this button here, which I don't want. Clear date, go to visible. Featured image. Okay, so in W theme the featured image is not displayed on the actual blog post. This is just for teaser. Okay, I think I should delete this one. You can add alt text as well here, remove it. This is not the image I wanted here. Tap on it just and type in the alt text. This is very important, right? Winter product launch. This is good for SEO, so you definitely do not want to miss it. Okay, and then let's see what we have. We have the author. So I have just one author on this Shopify store, and then you can see this is seasonal. This is basically the category. So what I was suggesting people, do not create your blog from here. Always create by going to blog post and then manage blog. Here I can go ahead and create a tag. So tag is going to be winter. I think that's enough. And then add winter. Don't forget to add it. Okay. So don't forget to add your tags. Hopefully it's been added. Okay, so once it's added, I think I need to, where did it go? Didn't I add it? It's already been added. Okay, perfect. Let's see what are the options I have. Okay. So this might look like this. Add winter has been already added. View all tags. Okay, so you can see applied tag. This is the winter thing. Now I can go ahead. Okay, this might look like this as well on your screen. I just had increased the font size so you people can see it, but this is the actual look, okay, of the blog creation page, the article creation page. This part did not go right, so my apology for this. It's been added. Now you can see it, hopefully. You can add more than one tag. Once you're happy with everything, you remember you can override the URL for SEO and for your users as well, and for yourself. Okay, the other thing I would like to discuss is excerpt. So this will be displayed on the blogs page, blog category or blogs topic page. Here we go. So go ahead and hit save instead of publish, and this will be published. Okay, so yeah, blog post was created. So there is some terminology issue here, otherwise it's okay. Here we go. We will have this. So let's refresh it. So it's not been added. The new blog is not been added to the navigation. So we'll go to main menu and we will add a new item, menu item to blogs. And what that we created, I guess it was seasonal products. Seasonal products. Here we go. And oh, that's the link. Okay, I see. So this is going to be name of the, oops, my apology, I had to write it here. So seasonal products, and then I have to create a link. So when you're going to create a link for subtopic under blogs, so you'll simply say blogs and then your actual blog, which is category in here. So seasonal, which is category, which is known as a category in other CMSs. So products. So let me just quickly explain what I'm trying to say here. So this is a category page which goes under blogs. So while creating the link for the seasonal product, I must write blogs before it, and this will appear like this. So now I can go ahead and add it to the menu, the sub menu under blogs. Now if I go ahead and refresh it, I would have the seasonal products and this winter product launch 2021. So if you do not add tags, you won't have this winter thing, and as soon as you can select it, it's going to be updated here. So go back to seasonal products. So you got this one, read more button, and you see it doesn't appear here. So that's basically the debut theme that we have, default theme. And we also would have option to leave a comment. So I can go ahead and leave a comment here. And my fake email address, and I bought a few from this winter's launch. Alright, so oops, what I can go ahead and say, comment posted. So this needs to be moderated. So I'll go back to blog posts and I will have this alert sort of thing. This is not approved, you can see. So select it and then you will have actions option, approve it, and this been approved. If I go to this section here, this okay, posted successfully, and you can see here this comment has been published. Alrighty, so this is how we add blogs section and then categories and then finally articles to Shopify store, and then we have this ability to, for users, for readers to leave comments. Alright, so that's it for this video, guys. If you have any questions, suggestions, leave in the comment below. I will try to answer it ASAP. Thank you so much for watching the video. Bye for now. Take care.